How to get good at Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to get good at Kingshot and share a few tips and tricks to level up fast. First off, accuracy matters more than speed. Make every shot count. Start by mastering your aim with short, controlled flicks rather than wild swipes. Most top players recommend sticking with one weapon until you get a feel for its recoil and timing. Next, play in quick bursts and study replays if they're available. You'll learn patterns and positioning from your own mistakes. Don't forget to use corners and cover wisely. This isn't a run and gun game, it rewards smart plays. Also, tweak your sensitivity settings to something comfortable. Don't just copy pro settings blindly. Finally, keep an eye on the leaderboard not to compare, but to find players worth spectating.